Bingo. We are live. Just all buying through this level. Well, not much selling at all, so it cuts. Just point of control around like 77. So what point of control is that? Barely any movement. 5, 15 second, 1 second. Not risk. Shape it down a bit. Mm. Order stacking up at that high, 500 orders as we approach. Aggressive sellers hitting the bid at the high there. Immediately engulfed them. 400 orders, 600 orders. Minute there is 925. I'm not sure what's going to be in this range, but I'm assuming just because we're stacking right here, I'm assuming we're just going to plow through this high. Um, we got 80 points to there, so we got a decent sized move there. Couple sellers stacking at that high, and buyers get it back up. That's good. Yeah, it definitely looks like sellers are stacking at that high. It's about at the top there. Probably four open. Almost 600. Takes the high there. We did take it on ES though. 30 seconds still open. And take it on ES. I'll put an alert there for when we break the high on ES. But right now it's bearish S&T. Okay. Alerts are not working right now. Okay. Let's see. Not that many orders to buy at the high there. 85. 200. Stacking. Right on the tape there. Is that open? Yes, it is. Right on the tape. 500 orders at the top. I don't like that. Bearish S&T. Nice run. It's right on the tape though. Even though we're going higher. 300 orders.
Remember I break that 126. I'm never going to see a reject that. If it does reject it, then we're going
Yes, it's about to break its high. I'm watching that.
to ODS jump up to 40 with that plus.
I'm not in a
I'm
rush to
step
trade.
away. I'm going to step away from the chart real quick.
Yeah, I'm not.
Choose now to step away.
Right on the tape. I'm not in a rush to trade. I have my orders to buy on this leg, which is good. Hit buy side on ES. 600 orders. We're stacking, but we're not breaking the high. I'm seeing it right on the tape. I want to sell this. 700 orders to buy. Yeah, that's a sell. Tap that 1 minute gap. I don't know where I'll get in though. For retest the high, I'll get in for a side. 700 orders to buy again. Going higher to sound though. 14-point move. 11 points. Let's see if we take that. Almost 1K orders to buy at the bottom there. My screen froze. 900 orders to buy at the top there. Almost 1K orders to buy off open. Like, how many 1K orders is this? 5 1K orders right there. We're not going high. We still have standards, right? All these 1K orders we haven't broken out. Watching 10 points. Minus 200 bucks. How many 1K orders is this? The buyers are still good. It's all there. It's like it should have broken out. After taking the high, should have broken out. Right on the tape too. Should have broken out. like that.
Alright, 126. Alright. Tap it.
Very strong. Very strong. Tick buy side there.
Code above 126.
Nice. I guess we're going to yesterday's close. Maybe. And there's no ad. If it comes back down, it gives me a retest. Little gap there. Oof, 400 orders are buy at the top. If it comes back down to this range right here where there's no orders, pretty much low orders, totally buying that right before taking that buy side at 167. Almost takes it. I think it does right here. I don't think we're taking it. $700 orders to buy there. Comes back in this gap, I'm just gonna take it. Just gonna add a 1 minute gap here. Better take buy side though. Interestingly enough. Just better take the high there. It just takes it almost. Took it. Alright. And my stop up. Take off 3. Got filled.
Okay, ADX is at 59, so be careful.
It's better top an early gap as well. Then there's about to be bearish SMT. Almost 1K orders to buy again there. Going down to the gap on the VIX. So we're in the right. We have a directional move here. I just need a re-entry. I don't have one. I got we're slowing up here. We're not going up any higher. See you right on the tape there. Right after taking buy side. That's bearish system T. Right on the volume profile. We're not going up. Foreign orders to buy. It's a lot of volume. But we're not going up. I think I'm gonna take one more here. Oh, too late. I mean, yeah, it's too late. So 1K orders to buy the taps that gap 100%. I'm buying it. U5 minute coming up. Waiting for the gap to tap. It's like low volume. It's like a low volume node. It should reject it. Order should flood there, and then we should reject it and keep going higher. That's my assumption. Patiently waiting for that gap to get tapped. That would be, won't even be 50% of the move yet, so that's good. A lot of selling here. See what happens when we tap this 1 minute gap. Trade probably should have been to sell, but oh well. Yeah, a lot of volume, a lot of selling at this high. Like almost, it makes sense after taking a high. So if there's still demand after we get into this gap, it'd be very interesting. Next target would probably be midline of this hourly.
Yeah.
See if we continue. If not, then um, just probably call it a trade. Nasty rejection there. Point of control is there too. So definitely, if we get into this gap, I want to be a buyer. We're still stacking the buy orders there too. This is where they like price. The water transaction. At the high, which is good. I'm not buying around point of control either. I want a premium. I'm already in the trade, but I want a premium. Or a discount, I should say. 900 orders to buy a point of control. It's good. 1K, 1K orders to buy there. Making me a little nervous. Because yeah. Rush that market. Holy. Here we go. Want to add to that, but then we got the ad. That's fine. Not gonna afford to add on a retest. Add like, he points them out. 56. If I add to, it's gonna move my entry all the way up here. Holy. It means I really need a good entry. Unfortunately. The trade is gone. Well. All buying on this leg here. Yep, yep, yep.
I just got out.
Nice.
I had my quota on the bank. And this candle was kind of weak, so I got out. And I locked up. And plus the ADX is at 64.
Mmm.
So be careful because it might just pull back and let the ADX pull off and
Mmm.
then continue higher.
64.
ADX is at 66 now. Yes. Okay.
Still looking for this ad.
26.27.
Still looking for this ad here. If it's like there's a 1 minute
We're
gap
gonna get
here.
it. We're gonna get a pullback.
Yeah. Yeah. E5, E15, use at 10. 700 orders to buy, getting smacked down by sellers. Aggressive sellers. But it looks like it's just profit taking or something. Like sellers just profit taking. Okay, orders to buy. Right at this the 50%. Man, I'm not in this trade at all. Wow.
ADX is at 69.
What a banger trade with zero money on the line. Can you imagine?
I'm sure it's still
2 contracts.
cool. Midline almost got tapped.
Might take off one there, but there's just no ad.
ADX is at 69.44.
If it stacks orders to buy there, I think that'll be my next ad. So yesterday's close there. If it stacks, I'm waiting for it to stack orders because it looks like we're stacking orders and we're ripping, stacking orders and ripping, stacking orders and ripping. So if it stacks again, I'm just gonna add in that area. Got a lot of selling right there at the top. But it just hit the, it just hit it. So
Yeah, we hit it to the T, like really to the T, like, but ADX is at 71.62.
it's an E15 by the way. Got 37 points on the 20. We got 25 points on the 37 point ATR for the 15 minute. So
We're inside of a 4 hour too. So the 4 hour midline is at 228.
this is about to be an ad. Oh, missed it. Wow. It's stacked. Nice. Whatever. Not stacking as much anymore. It's just 600 orders. It was 1,000 here, 1,000 here. Now it's like 600. So we're definitely cooling off a bit. Wow. Wow. This is about to piss me off. All right. This is about to piss. Okay, here we go. Stacking here. 700 orders to buy. Here at the top. Gives me a nice retest. I'll probably just get in there. 800 orders. That's about it. Yeah. 800 orders. Yeah, I should keep ripping until yesterday's closing. What a terrible entry.
We just tapped the midline of the 4 hour to the tick. It was at 227.
That's respect there. What I'm gonna get. About to hit the ATR limit. I want to see yesterday's close. There we go. 1K orders to buy.
We shoot for 329.
Yeah, I guess so. So you got the momentum here.
Thursday's close.
Yep, you got the momentum. Why not? I added there, so let's see. Like it's
So be
starting to,
careful. ADX is at 74 and it's starting to like flatline.
yeah.
And we just tapped the midline at a 4 hour. So
Yep.
I might like try to pull it back to the bottom of the range and the bottom of the fair value gap and then pop up.
Yeah, these 1K orders are gone. I'm seeing selling on the tape I haven't seen before. So, how many points away to the close? Like 100 points. Wow.
105 point, 107 point.
Yeah, I don't like this pullback here. I should have went. Just stacking at the high. I should have ran. See what that means? It probably got absorbed by some random sellers that I don't want to be a part of. So that is a break even for me. If that doesn't go,
It's
then
taking
oh
itself on the hourly minute, I don't know.
well. Yeah, that's true as well. That is definitely coming short here. It should be stacking and going higher, but I like how it's flashing red and going back green. But holy, like, ugh, this is nerve wracking. 700 to buy. Do I trust this? Well, there's still going to be a pullback. ES took the high as well. I just noticed that. Ugh, it's probably going to pull back here. I have to take it. I'll wait for the next pullback. Whatever. If this goes, I'm a pussy.
Not weak.
I'm a pussy. If this goes, I'm a pussy, bro. Holy. It's just the red there on the tape. It's just too strong.
Yeah, I just feel like just wait for a couple pullback, wait for your setup, look and see if any fair value got underneath you.
But then the trade might be over. Like we're already pretty much at the ATR limit. Pretty much. Like it's not that far away.
Doing so much that it's just like you don't know where it's gonna stop. That's the thing. That's the scary part. That's when everything starts to get in. ADX went down to 69, so ADX is screaming down, which just might be a pullback. It might pull back into follow through mode, just trying to get underneath 50 so they can run again.
Good close by me. Good close, good close, good close. It wasn't showing the same type of pattern that it was given earlier. That's why I got
Look at
out.
that. Right on the 4 hour midline, straight rejection.
I want to buy this if it hits the gap. It's 10 points.
Just be careful. Look, it's 10 o'clock, right? Look at this.
It's not 10 o'clock yet.
It's about to be 10 o'clock now. But look. So what would the most likely candle do? Would it try to dip into? I think hour look like. Look at that hourly. Alright. So we hit the midline of that 4 hour beautifully.
I'll be tapped to one in the gap. I'll take. I'll use like 3 columns or something. Well, 3, 20, 60.
You know, and just be careful. We got news at 10.
You have news at 10. Not correct.
We got Friday's closes down here. We got it made a fair value gap right here, a 4 hour fair value gap. This is gone. Get rid of that. We made a 4 hour. It could come up there. And that's from my AD, my almond lines right here. It could come up top, reject. Look down. Be careful. Just be careful. I mean, on a tick chart, I like it. Tick chart. As long as we break this and close above this right here. 222. They got to break and close above it. 2 from 1. Break and close above it. Retest it. Take off. Watch the top of the fair value gap before.
800, 900 orders to buy. I like that. At the
We
top,
got 5 minutes.
1K, no, 900. Watching this close here. This just took a high.
5 minutes on this 4 hour. I want to see if it's going to disrespect the 4 hour fair value gap or respect it. If it goes above midline, then it's going to go up. It should fail.
Chop that woman gap to
Tick chart, it did break. It broke close. Look on my practice account. I'm gonna take it on my practice.
1K orders at the top there. I think we continued yesterday's closes. Looks like the play. But guess who's not in it with size? This guy.
Look at that. Look at the break that he says on the 5 guys. Let's see if we continue.
I add back in. Does a new 5. I want to add back in. I wanted to get in at the low volume though, which it was like 300 orders right here. Bought it. It was a rejection of that area before, and now we're rejecting again this high. I want to buy here. Maybe add like 3.
Mm-hmm.
See if it taps that one that gap. It did. I'm not hesitating on that. It's demand at the high, so I think new hour is going to push us even higher.
Yeah, as long as it's 4 hours close above the I don't know what that was. I don't know. If it break and close below 205, my buy is switching. Because then that would have been it just taking liquidity, super liquidity. If it does that BS. Like, I don't want to see it close from here. I'm gonna take some off at the top of the fair value gap. I got a limit order at 256 and then another limit order at 279 takeoffs because that's 279 is our next hourly break. And retest line.
Took that high again. I'm gonna take off some buying shit, so I'm rolling my stop up. Watching this new hour candle. It's low volume at the high. I don't like that. 43 orders. Like, come on.
Yeah, I probably will be showing inside because news.
And use. I'm buying shit, so I'm taking off too. Have my orders to buy at the top. Let's see. There's barely any orders. It's looking like I want, okay, 800 orders. Okay, that's good. Yeah, we're going to yesterday's close. Look at that. 800 orders to buy at the top. Beautiful right before news. I'll add back in, but I think I'm okay. I think I'll wait, let it hit yesterday's close. You should push us there. I don't know. I can't ask for a better entry than this. think it's worth the risk here. If it was going to manipulate our favor, I got to chill and profit. My screen is
Yes.
freezing. Bro, my screen is freezing. Is that me? Hello? Erica?
Yeah, I hear you.
Why you say nothing?
Yes. We're good. We're good. You're good. You're good. 257. Oh, see what it does.
Keep talking to me because my internet connection is. I don't know if it's my internet connection
I'm
or
pulling
it's.
back.
Keep talking to me. Keep talking. Keep talking. Just say something
Get on
back.
your phone. Okay, okay. 251, 250. We're pulling back a little bit. We're still in the same candle. It took the previous candle's time.
It's a new hour. Yeah, I think I'm good now. It's not notice about the top there.
We're pushing up a little bit. We're trying to. Candle might flip again. But we have a good value gap underneath us, so 5,002.
700 orders to buy on that leg. 800 orders to buy on that leg.
Your thing is still frozen?
No, I think we're good. Smash down. I'm watching this. I'm chilling tight. Fuck it.
I do want to see 279 to get out of this hourly thing.
500 top. That's an ad. Top. That's an ad. Fantastic.
Yeah,
No, I'm good.
yeah.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm like freezing every 2 seconds. This is gonna be a miracle trade. Literally frozen. Wow. What is going on? Tap the volume, low volume node there. Is that an ad? I don't know.
They tried to tap into that for a very gap on like 5,000.
It did. It
They
did for
just
me on the
tap on top
woman.
of it.
It did for me on the
I think
one.
it's fighting.
I don't know. I don't like how we just tapped it and then we're like kind of giving me bear signals. I don't want to close this trade here. Call it a day. I think I'm gonna take off like 3. Buy or sell. Buy. I should sell.
The buyers are strong now.
1K orders to buy. I don't like how. I don't like this.
They
Like,
keep pulling down, and the buyers, as soon as it starts coming down, the buyers are like, no. And then trying to come down, the buyers are like, no.
I'll wait for this next minute. It's gonna tell me everything I need to know.
Oh, I go back to the phone.
Not north side. Not in the rush to mess up my entry.
I don't like this next candle. Which time is it? Come on, man.
800 orders just stacking at the top. I like that. Do we accept price higher? Like, that's the question here. Do we accept price higher? Yesterday's close is literally 66 points. We are so close to the daily ATR, and I'm kind of like, yeah, a little hesitant here. Cut that trade. I should have kept going. Cut that trade. It's okay. Like, I should have kept going. I didn't. My internet connection acting crazy. Yes. So this leg down, came 29, 30 points. So this leg down should be come to this fair value gap and keep going, if anything. If it doesn't keep going after this, that's a reversal. That's a reversal signal.
You saw something to that or anybody?
Mhm.
It didn't talk in their line out, but it did talk into it. Let's see.
Still looks strong. 1K orders to buy there. I'll get back in this. No issue. But it has to prove to me that it wants to break past this hourly break of the high. I'm watching the ad there at the fair value gap where there's 500 orders to buy there. That's a good place to buy. 1K orders. It's still showing demand.
ADS is at 49. I said it's gonna come down to 50. I thought it's gonna come down to get below 50. The possibly try to run again.
Really, really bad.
I gotta get it above 256 to show me it wants to run.
If it does, if it goes here, that's good because you know why? Like the first retracement was 30 points. This one is like 29, so it's like there's more demand than there was before, even after 10, which was news. Do we have more news? I think we do, right? No, we have tentative news. Tentative news. Here we go. Is that a 5 minute gap? Yes, it is. I want to get to there's literally buying here. I haven't seen sellers appear maybe like a couple times, but they're weak. They're getting smashed. Look at this. Almost 1K orders to buy. 500 orders.
255. Yeah, they're gonna test at 255.
A 5 minute gap here as well. Watching that. Screen is frozen again. That was a good close. I respect it. Is everyone coming down here?
We're pulling back, but we're not going lower than the first pullback candle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to tap that hourly. Well, not hourly, the 5 minute. So it taps that, then I don't know. I'm gonna stay prepared for this trade here. I'm patiently watching. We can get in with this 5 minute gap is 9 points, so 220. So maybe like 8 contracts or something.
Show me is real.
And then this one is if it gets in here, it's only 220 10. It's only like $100, which is good. Better tap that 5 minute gap here. Watching. Tapped it. Should immediately reject it if it's a low volume node. Okay, 1 minute gap there. Increasing my size. Looks jumpy. I'm not doing that. Tap that 1 minute gap. Watching it. Coming down a little bit too hard. Get in there. Not in there. Risking under 50. Yeah, it's nasty.
Okay, if it breaks 223.5, break close retest, that's sell territory.
Definitely sell territory right now. I'm not seeing any buys anymore. Gotta get out of that. All right. I'll switch to sellers here. All right.
Well, I'm gonna watch it. Oh my goodness. Alright, 223, I've been broken. If it goes,
Selling that
oh,
holy. Yeah,
they
this
just
is,
cut the middle of that hourly. Yeah. So,
yeah, we're at this top of the ATR. Like, I'm probably gonna go back into that big hourly gap or 15-minute gap, I should say. I was it's like 50% of the move. I don't hear it. Look at that line just appearing out of nowhere. Tapping point of control there. I respect it. The ADX thing.
they answered that very good. That was an engulfing candle, 5,006.
So that
So
one
how
minute
did you
gap
feel that
there.
for that? Yeah. It rejected the break of 223. Like it broke beneath it, but it just rejected the break.
So the hourly gap, right? The hourly midline, I mean.
Yep, the top of the hour.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, I did not wake up nobody back then.
Nasty rejection off that point of control. It's hard to count there. Cut in there off that. Put a continuation of yesterday's close.
We're back up at 225 and 255.75. That's the area to break for you too.
Should break there when yesterday's close. Run on tape. Gotta break past this high here. Getting close. So it doesn't look like it wants to go. I don't like that hesitation. Should have went. Pullbacks are getting deeper. It's like 9 points off that high. First one was 30 points off the high. This one was 50 points off the high. Next one might not be too pretty. It's literally barely a break. 25 points, 25-point break off the high. So we need a massive break here. So I don't like the odds of it. I like how point of control is building here, but we need a massive break. If it doesn't give us a massive run through, gotta cut the
We
straight.
might come down to 248, maybe like a little top into we gotta pull values up and down.
I'm assuming.
Top into it, I'm gonna shot it, but immediately came back up.
15-point pullback there. We're breaking the high here. What's going on?
55, let's talk about that. I don't know why my gut is telling me it just might sweep with the lead and then try to go on. ADX is at 26, and then the DMI looks like it wants to try to cross the downside. So it just might be that week.
I'm seeing a lot of monkey orders here, so I'm a little confident, but need a break.
So holding above 255, which I'm trying to.
It's like it's edging it. Five. Unfortunate problem. Holy shit. Right before I do five. I don't like I was like it should have all these monkey orders we should have went. We should have went. Should have broke past the high, should have done all these things. These pullbacks are getting knifier and deadlier. I don't like that. Come on. Are we gonna test the high again? Like get out. If it suits like you said, if it suits liquidity, that's like any rejection I have to get out.
So that's what I'm trying to do.
It's new five.
ADX is just like 3 now.
It's my control as
They
well.
can't. If they cannot hold above 255, it's actually a failure swing.
Okay. I'm gonna test that high there. All these 1K orders to buy, but we're not going higher, which is not good. Sweeps the high. Any rejection, I have to get out the trade. There we go. 1K orders. That's still not seeing sellers.
It's still really hard to find above 255. Why is 255 so high? Oh, it's on top of that hourly for value. That's why. Oh, okay. And then, oh shit. Forgot about it. Okay, so top of that hourly for value. And if we can stay out of that, we'll be pushing to the top of the 4 hour. For value.
It's another hourly gap above us as well.
What number?
Low of it's 280.
Oh, I didn't even mark it because it's inside of the 4 hour for value. It's at the top.
Yeah, this is not a good trade. Like, I don't like this. It's taking way too entirely long, and it's just stacked. Like, we should have broke higher, and we're at point of control. Like, if buyers don't think there's any demand after this, even after news, to me, it's just like, I don't know. Just looks like it might just go back into the range here. I'm gonna start taking stuff off.
Yeah, I put myself in profit. You know, I don't give a $50 in profit. I'm not really bad because
Mm.
got an internal breaker structure is at 237, and that overall break is at 222. And that 222 is the M formation type little thing. But it is starting to catch up with my armor. Like, this is that 222, and then this is that internal break. Um, I want to see it break this one, but then it also has to break this one, and after that is, yeah. But the DMI is doing this whack crap, and then my ADX officially just went to chop. Officially. But we have a nice space in between my armor and price. It came down here and topped it and bounced off, but now it's like it's getting tighter, and it's doing a better swing, and mm, it might be having sales if we break this 222. See it break this, and then it has to break this. You got to get through this, which is what 205, yeah. Got to get through that, and then we actually can recurse all this if we want to. And then yesterday's close was actually down here. I don't think very well down here. So. Fight through.
Yeah, we didn't even take the high yet, and now we're about to run lower. I think that was. I think that. I mean, whatever.
It's spelling the swing, it's spelling the make a move.
Makes sense. Like at the top of the hourly, it's liquidity. Makes sense. I don't have an entry on.
Well, should just play slower. If it just plays slower, it'll probably like make a fair value that. jumped in off the break and retest of that 237. And I put my TP at, I did a break and retest of the internal. I got in. And so I want to see it come down here to this hourly break and retest because it broke it right here, but it never retested it. But it has to still break through RDE, so it's risky. See, let's see what it does.
Still could retest that high. That's what I'm scared about.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm watching for. I don't think it's gonna. I don't know if it's gonna play different. It might try to do it, but it just might do another failure swing.
I want to take that high. Yes, take that high. I want to take that high. Once it takes that high, I'm selling it. There it's like I'm frozen again.
You're never trying to do a failure swing again.
No buying interest at the high here. Like zero. Not zero, but it's low. Take that high. I'm not expecting for it to keep going higher. The same
I
wonky
think it
like
might.
this is old
It might
nasty
fail
volume.
this one.
Yeah, it's possible too, yeah.
If this one failed this, it failed this one. I don't know if this one's gonna fail this one. The thing is making trend line. Let me just watch something. Let's see.
Yes, it's running though. See the VIX. VIX is about to close the gap here. Not really, but we still have room, I see. Yes, it's running though. Yes, it's definitely running. I wonder.
Look at this little 5,600 that you got right here. This candle respected it, this one might disrespect it. I don't want to see it break above this orange line.
Should have like yes with ES running like this makes me think we're still going higher. But it has to break this level. Like I don't want to be caught in any of this because we did make a higher low, kind of sort of internal higher low.
Yeah, we're making like a little, um, we're making, we're making lower highs, but also making higher lows.
Let's wait for the break here. It's not. It's no reason to rush it. Seeing the sellers here stacking too. I want to see what happens when we take that high. Very curious. So, I'm going to take a break.
We bet.
Yeah, that's what I want to see. If it's a fake out, you know instantly. Instantly, you know if it's a fake out, and then I'm selling that with everything. If not, then I'll just take it. Because that is the 1 minute fair value gap there we just tapped into. So, uh,
You want to fail your swing, territory or something. It breaks the launch on. I think I'm supposed to do this to my own. Like the way it's like they're almost been catching it. But this one, this candle, if it goes below it, then it's over. Like you caught it here. Let's see if it catches it here. And then I also have this like internal breaker structure. But you caught it right here. Then I don't know if it's gonna catch it the third time's a charm. And see if it breaks this. That did. It broke it. Let's see if it holds it. Yeah, found the recess right there. Beautiful recess. But I'm already in the trade. Trend line break. Let's see if it is the trend line. Look at that. And they're gonna have midline at 222. Have to break 222. I put my stop above the recess candle. Because I was just respecting that recess. The way it respected like that 5,000, I guys, the 5,000, like little survey gap, we kind of respected it right there. Like it broke it and it came up and respected it. Tried to go over there and go up. I got that down. We're going to do another photo soon.
I should keep disconnecting.
About here. So a lot of times pushing up against there, but it's kind of a hard time. So
Huh?
just still on a sale. Let's see if this can ever out there.
Mm, 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 mm. Oh shit! To take the high. The man picking up there. So it's also picking up as well. What's ADX is still on shop, right?
Yeah. So that's point one. When we were going down, it was starting to point up.
Unfortunate.
So yeah.
And my screen just keeps freezing. Like, wow. Thanks, Top Step. Just give a straight away back like all these. Seems like you guys can't hold these people together.
Alright, we gonna break down. Nice. You just frozen over there?
Nope.
He said no.
Uh,
Alright, we both out of average. But once you retested it, which happens to align with that 237 area. And we started to curl up on the air. Pretty sure right now the bear in control. I probably didn't have contracts and then add more if it breaks 222, and then probably add some more if it breaks 205. I'll probably just stuff myself in. It's gonna be fun. Hey, adding in, bro. So let's do it. Okay. TP will still be up at 126.
frozen, like literally frozen. I can't do this, bro. All these micro freezes, like this platform is shit. Like micro freezing every 2 seconds. You're not freezing?
Huh?
You're not freezing?
Yeah, I don't want to be like, y'all trying to be like us, like Texas. We got a 222 break. A 222 break. Um, we created a fair value gap right here, and we also did not touch that break of the trend from the trend line break. But we are getting that break. So we might get a retest onto this 222. If not, it might come back up here, but it might not be able to. And then the next break is this one. And then after this one, yeah, we're going on it. But I just got it on this hourly because we did not get the retest for stuff this hourly. Um, so if it gives me a nice retest, I'm gonna add 5 more. Like it just did right now. Add 5 more. Break it to a 5.
Bro,
Break it to a 5.
is it my internet connection or what is it? Like I can't even calculate entries.
Pictures. This is awesome.
Okay, bro.
Maybe if we push up to 22, like the curl up on it is nice.
It's up to 15-minute gap.
205 right now. Just trying to another 5,000 to the value down. And then I'm gonna pull back into one of these. hate that resource. We're coming up on that.
Screen is just freezing. Holy moly. Every 2 seconds we're freezing. It's literally the only trading view that's saving my life right now.
Alright.
Why are we, like, literally, why are we glitching? What is the point of glitching like this? Sorry. I'm in that buy off that 15 minute. For the break of the high, maybe see yesterday's close. Yep, there was a seller's trap right there. It was literally selling down here, but it didn't go down. So, and we rejected it the first time. So, I'll just a buy. Hopefully, it doesn't fail to swing. There's all this selling right here. ES took the high. This has to be the leg that goes higher right before a new hour. This has to be the leg. I can't play games with this one. This has to be the leg that goes higher on the NASDAQ. ES just took the high. Gotta hold on the ES.
Stop. Marley, can you please stop?
Gotta hold
You
here.
usually promise to do stuff.
Gotta hold here. Looking like we're about to break. What is this, a 1 minute? Wow. New 1 minute candle here. Nice. Rejection 95 for the break. Nice. Gotta go here. Shit. Five looks nice there. It's clean though. Come on. What are you telling me right now? Come on. You serious right now?
She's spending the crap out of structure. Like, it's not even funny.
That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, yes. I am loving that. Oh my gosh, bro. The way that I've stacked in and it was going higher, I've seen the play. It respected that trend line. I told you. Why didn't you get? I'm not even about to. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's gonna give me that hourly value because the way I just ran this account up for 3,800 and profit quick. It literally look. I told you it's gonna come back up here and test this trend line. It came back up in here. It didn't tap it with this candle. It tapped into it, rejected this wick, and then closed in this trend, outside this trend line. It respected the crap out of it. But we never tapped it. So I knew it was gonna come up here. And I'm like, my armor, we have a 5,000. Everything was aligned into this area. That's pretty cool. And then I just had to be on my practice phone, of course. Oh, how much you make? On my combine, I made a couple $100. And then I was at practice and made almost $4 grand. Erica, how do you do it? I'm just a backwards trader, that's it. I trade backwards. I gave all the rest of my practice account because why not? Bro. Oh, look at that beautiful, beautiful play off that third value top. And no, just switch to tick charts, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beauty. So cute. We are getting that 205 break. See if we get a retest because I will be taking it. I'm taking it out. While we wait for 2 ticks. I just gave a retest of 205. Disrespecting a retest. That's fine. We got this fair value that we just created. I was hoping for like a midline touch into this one, but I don't think it's gonna give it to me, so I can add in. But we're holding this break.
Alrighty.
It's just close. We need 205 and gave us a nice retest off of it to the downside.
Unfortunate.
122, 126 is what I want to see.
Shouldn't yes to that. Shouldn't Let's see. It's just a T. I mean,
So we got this sort of cluster stuff over there, and we prepared up. And I want to see if somebody else to pop it. And then now we'll have to figure out where it's going to go after that. But that's just my TP because that's just where I want to see it go after it pushed up above here with that candle. I'm trying to think where it's going to get stuck at. 4 hour. I don't even see why you up this early. I don't know why. Who told you to have a bad dream and wake you up? But I'm gonna need you to try again and go back to sleep. That's Stay below 205. 205 is like a major break structure for this formation. It keeps happening, so. Shove some on like adding to the cell.
Yeah, just no buying on this leg.
If we get the break, next is 183 break. It just tapped into. Was this something down there? It just tapped into?
15-minute gap. Fifteen-minute gap.
But it's probably making high up candle. Up candle break is at 210 to the upside. If it doesn't hold it.
Yeah, some guy wants to take that high again.
Play 222 level, rejected it again. You know, reversal for automation, but then it's also creating a trend line for if it break it continue lower at the same time. We got what a 1 minute ago, right? You got about those that we can tap into before going lower. That could be what the phone is. So don't try to so that was alright.
What are you targeting? What are you targeting? The who? Minutes? It's crazy.
If they can get the loan, what I get it for me? What's other after 198, we just started. We both underneath 198. That's nice. It's happened 198. A little while. Oh,
Oh, my screen keeps freezing. This is like, it has to be the most cancerous platform I've ever seen in my life.
what's up?
My screen continues to freeze. Like, this has to be the most cancer-driven platform I've ever seen in my life.
Stay below 211.